What is going on, YouTube? What's going on, Twitch? How are we doing? Today is Wednesday, January 20th. This is episode 19 of Crypto World News Daily Show. I'm your host, Elliot. We do this Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. If you want to catch my next show live, you can tune in tomorrow. Check out twitch.tv/Crypto World News. In today's show, we're going to be going over some Bitcoin news. This is inauguration day. We've got some fundamental news. Bitcoin Cash, a little bit of DeFi news. I do have a DeFi project of the day, and we're going to be going over our trade that we are in. We're in a BTC short. So we'll take a look at that, as well as take suggestions from you. If you have any altcoins you'd like for me to chart, I will be taking suggestions. So appreciate you guys being here today. Live episode 18. Was it? Did I get that right? 18, 19? I think it's 18. Episode 18. All right. Cool. I appreciate you guys joining. Check out the Discord if you haven't already. Links down below. We've got a whole bunch of cryptocurrency traders in there, and it's a good community. I'd love to have you join. So first and foremost, we're gonna, hey, what's up, Willie Rob? What's up, Ventura? Giving quick shout outs, Crypto Dizzy, Bibbity Bobbity. How's everyone doing today? All right, we're gonna be going over, let's look at the Bitcoin here. We're looking at a weekly chart. Looking at a Bitcoin weekly chart, we do look like on the weekly we're ready to come back down just a little bit, seeing off of this weekly candle close, 38K being a resistance or rejection. If we were to look at a smaller time frame, like a 4 hour, there's a potential, for that 38K one time a last test. If we do get up there, I'm gonna kind of flip my position to be bullish, but I do expect to get pushed down at the 38K level if we get back up there. For that, ideally we want to get a daily close under 34K. That would be very interesting. I'd love to see that play out, and we can get some lower BTC targets. All right, we're gonna go over to some news really quick. If you guys have any questions about my BTC analysis, we'll probably go over it again or talk about it a little bit more. All right, so we're gonna go over, gosh, Biden named, I really am not a big fan, Janet Yellen, the committee, what did he name? Secretary of the Treasury. And she's saying, I think many cryptocurrencies are used in a transaction sense, mainly for illicit financing. This is our new President-elect Joe Biden's pick for the Secretary of the Treasury. Janet Yellen, who believes that the majority of crypto transactions are for illicit activity. Yeah, let's just really quickly, let's just take a look and see if there's any truth to that. Since you are the secretary, you're the pick for the Secretary of the Treasury. Let's see if there's any truth to that. Oh no. Oh, crypto crime summarized, scams, dark market dominated by 2020 revenue, but ransomware is a bigger story. Okay, so basically what does this mean? This means that in 2019, criminal activity represented 2.1% of all cryptocurrency transactions, roughly 21.4 bill. In 2020, criminal share of all, I guess all of their share of the criminal transactions fell to 0.34%, or $10 billion in volume. This means that you saying that cryptocurrency is, I think cryptocurrencies are used, at least in transaction sense, mainly for illicit financing. Mainly for illicit financing, 0.3%. Okay. All right. I'm going to drop all these articles down below if you want to take a look at them yourself. Obviously, she didn't do her own research, but we're doing ours. So anyways, let's go over to a little bit of crypto. We already did that. BTC news. Okay, so whales depositing Bitcoin to exchanges as BTC price tumbled $4,000 in hours. This is the beginning of the FUD train. if we haven't already seen it start yet. Once we see that close under 34K for the daily, they have the articles ready. They're like shotgun loaded. Trust, fam, trust. Okay, so are BTC whales preparing to dump on Coinbase? Crypto Twitter is also bearish on BTC. You know, I'm gonna drop this article down below. So 42,000. I've crypto bears on Twitter. There's been bears, there's been bulls. Obviously, the market is probably gonna shake both sides out. So, anyways, I'm gonna drop this link down below. It's not super informative, but I did like the headline. It was pretty catchy. Whales deposit Bitcoin to exchanges. I like that. All right, let's go over some Bcash news. If you guys don't know who Jihan Wu is, Jihan Wu is an original. He's like the original gangster for cryptocurrency. Jihan Wu is really cool. First ever Bitcoin Cash option to be launched by Bitmain's founder Jihan Wu. Bitmain is probably one of the largest Bitcoin mining companies in the world, you know, with their ASIC miners that they release to the public. ASIC mining just means application specific integrated circuit. So basically it's just a piece of hardware, just a computer chip that's really good at doing one thing, solving the SHA-256 Bitcoin mining algorithm. And that's all ASIC miners are. They're really good at one thing. But that's it. Anyway, so Bitcoin Cash, what does this mean for perpetual swaps? As Bitcoin Cash is going to have probably bullish on Bitcoin Cash. Jihan Wu is going to launch an option. I've got some Bcash. All right, that's going to be it for the Bcash. Jihan Wu, BTC, Bitcoin.com, founded by Jihan Wu, will launch a BCH, Bitcoin Cash, perpetual contract on January 20th, today, which supports up to 33 times leverage and airdrops up to $100,000 in Bitcash and Bitcoin Cash new users and traders. Bit.com will launch industry's first BCH, Bitcoin Cash option February 1st. So if you want to trade options on Bitcoin Cash, Bit.com will be launching that on February 1st. So check that out. Articles down below if you want to read it yourself. More Polkadot DeFi bullish news. Are you into DeFi? Have you heard about decentralized finance? Do you know what it is? Does liquidity mining mean anything to you? Are you interested? I'd love to help you out if anything interests you. I've got a Calendly link. Check below if you're watching the YouTube video. Just click that link, and I'd love to give you like an intro class. Just don't waste my time, because then I'll have to, yeah. Anyways, don't waste my time. So let's just be, you know, honest with each other. Okay, so Moonstake and RockX partner to support Polkadot's ecosystem. More dots, DPS. Okay, stop dots. Okay, a partner built on RockX. Okay, Polkadot, I believe there were a couple other projects we were talking about yesterday that's going to be announcing, or that's going to be launching off the Polkadot ecosystem as well. Stake it up. Last year we saw an exponential rise in staked crypto assets as the process soared in popularity. Not only are we seeing a rise in staked crypto assets, we're also seeing a huge rise in decentralized finance total volume locked. So the amount of liquidity that's being locked for 1, 2, 3, 4 years is increasing, and that's really bullish for cryptocurrency, I believe. A Polkadot future. If you don't have any dots, Polkadots, I think it was like $5 at the beginning of this year. It's probably up to like 15 now. 63% of DOT supply will be staked on the network with DOTs. Price rising more than 40% in a month. The token's market cap reached 15 bill. 15 bill market cap, that's pretty nice. Unseating XRP to be the 4th largest cryptocurrency. Probably DOT's going to continue to grow into 2021, for the years to come. Anyways, when my PC gets here, I'm definitely going to take you up on that class. Yes, definitely do. It's just like 30 minutes, and it's kind of just an introduction. If you don't know what DeFi is, I'll kind of show you some platforms and how to participate, how to turn your liquid assets into passively generating you more assets. It's like, imagine if you could put, well, not really imagine, I can show you. You can put $1,000 and lock it in a vault for a year and earn 50 to 70% on that. So you don't need a whole bunch of money to start. It's just a new, it's a new field, and I wouldn't recommend putting in 10% of your crypto holdings. I would recommend a very, very, very small percentage. And we can go over this later on in the class, but it's very lucrative. And if you stick with it for a couple years, or a year or so, it's only been out for about 7 or 8 months now. So very, very new, very new. Love to help you out. Anyways, if you have any questions, now is the time. About any of the news articles you want to go back over, any coins you want for me to chart, anything like that, now would be the time. We're going to go over our DeFi project of the day, ArcherDAO.io. Mine smarter. Archer increases your Ethereum mining revenue. Integrate in just 5 minutes with 1 line of code. So this is a project that is targeting current Ethereum miners, and it is incentivizing them or advertising to them, hey, we can make you more money. Just drop this line of code in, and here's how we do it. Step 1, high value transaction inserted. Where's step 2? Step 2, low value transaction replaced. Okay, Archers extracts more value from every block. So how are we being more efficient with our mining revenue, Archer? By replacing low-value transactions with high-value transactions, Archer improves the efficiency of the Ethereum network and improves miners' revenue. Become an on-chain supplier so you can stake. This also has a scheduled call, so if you're cryptocurrency mining and you need help, that's pretty cool. I like projects that offer this sort of support. So this is a very, very good project. I haven't seen this. It's very new. I haven't seen a whole lot about it. I have my feelers out all in the DeFi space. So whenever I hear about something or I see about something, I share it with you guys. And this is the first time I've seen this. So really quickly, let's just take a look at Dex Tools. Let's see if we can pull it up. It's called Archer Docs Social English app. All right, Archer, A-R-C-H-E-R. Archer, there we go. Archer DAO governance token. If you're going to use Dex Tools, always check your daily volume because anyone can create Archer DAO token. Anyone can create an ERC20 token. So just make sure you're on the correct one. All right, so Archer DAO is trading at $1.08. Looks like, I mean, wait, this token came out November 22nd. Okay, so it's been here for a little bit. When I say that, most of these DeFi projects I've been looking at have been here, since January. So this one's got a little bit of history. I'm not saying this is a good coin to invest in, but I do like the project. The project, let's see if we can connect anything. The project is really, really cool. I mean, so you can stake, let's see, staking, sushi swap. Okay, so you can stake and earn, but I think it's cool that they're incentivizing, or they're going after current Ethereum miners. Okay, EOS USD, yes sir. EOS USD, let's look at that. Down 2% on the daily. Looking at a monthly chart on Coinbase. EOS USD on the monthly chart, we came up to $4 and we got pushed back. What happened? What happened? Weekly, okay. see if we can get a little bit more data. EOS, USD. Polo usually has the most amount of data. Whoa, there we go. Poloniex. If you're looking for chart data, they've got Bitcoin data as well. I mean, this coin, I don't know the fundamentals behind EOS. Let's look. Let's get a 618.382.5786. Okay. So EOS on the weekly, I mean, it doesn't look like it wants to go any lower. It looks like the dollar was as low as EOS wants to go. So, I mean, this looks okay. It looks pretty ready to pop, as a lot of these altcoins do. I wish I had a little bit higher time frame than a month. Ranges. Let's go 3 months. Oh, okay, I can't do that. Okay, anyways, so we're looking at a monthly chart here. This isn't even the $4 that we've tested and we've came up and yada yada. I'm pretty bullish on altcoins without knowing the fundamentals behind it. I mean, I'd probably look for this coin somewhere around $6 in a few months from now. I wouldn't be surprised. And anything above here, I guess it'd be the $1. $6 or $8 is going to be like our monthly price discovery territory. I'm really not a big fan of. I mean, this has got a little bit of resistance right here. Boom, but not a whole lot. Once we get back over in this zone, I believe we'll probably just, you know, continue to wherever EOS wants to go to. But yeah, a lot of these coins still have room to gain to the BTC. So if we were to look at EOS to Bitcoin, which is ideally where you want to be retaining your value, this coin has not performed super fantastic historically in the past. Looking back at 2018, bull run. So weekly doesn't look terrible. Weekly to BTC chart doesn't look terrible. Looks like a lot of people have kind of maybe forgotten about EOS. Maybe you've gotten out of EOS. That's what the market likes. Oh, it's not going anywhere. Oh, nothing's gonna happen yet. Boom! Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to spit. So I think EOS has a lot of potential to gain to Bitcoin as well. So all these coins kind of have their time and place in regards to how the money flows around Bitcoin and the altcoin markets. So like if we were to look at the total market cap, we might see it's going down from where we were yesterday, and the BTC dominance maybe up a little bit. Okay, so we've gained, well, we've lost about 50 bill in market cap, and we've gained about 20 bill in 24-hour trading volume. So yeah, I mean, as the market, as these coins, or not the coins, as the money is entering the cryptocurrency market and leaving the BTC dominance, it's going into these altcoins. So I mean, I still like this market cap. Looks pretty good. BTC dominance, can you imagine if that was at 60%? We'd probably see we'd have a nice little alt season. Nice little Paparuski. Okay, Ventura, you are welcome. EOS, yeah, looks pretty fantastic. I think I'm going to go back to what I was talking about yesterday. DOT, we were talking, you can't really, trying to time this into your perfect entry. I heard it, read about the fundamentals, and gotten it at like $5. So this coin is probably just going to do some crazy funky stuff this year. If you don't have any dots, maybe get some dots. It's a staking coin. You can stake it. DeFi farm or yield aggregator is what they're called. Looking at the 4-hour chart, looking pretty good. If we were to break up here on the dot, we'll probably come into 20 bucks, 23 bucks on the dot skis. OMG, I believe we were looking at that one. No, we were looking at XLM. XLM yesterday, we were at 31 cents, somewhere like right here. And I was saying it's a good time to buy. Yeah, I like XLM anywhere, 31 cents to whatever, 21 cents. Can't go wrong. All right, so we're gonna look at our trade now. Going over into the Prime XBT, which is the platform we are trading with this week. We've got a BTC short. I don't know if you guys can see it. I might have the little things down below, but we're sitting in some profit. We're gonna keep these open. We've got take profits starting at 27,500 all the way down to 22,666. XRP to BTC, we're going to keep this trade open as well. I did see some XRP news yesterday that wasn't something about one of the core members sold 23 million in XRP or something like that. Keep feeding me FUD. You want to sell your XRP? Go for it. So I like this. I think XRP is still ready to make a move. We've seen a little bit of preemptive jumpy. This is XRP to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does decide to go down, I mean, yeah, this could potentially, we could see some nice moves here. This is a pretty crazy chart for anyone who's been trading or charting anything. I mean, this is nuts. Normally you would not want to trade something like this, but I like this emotion. Maybe we'll make a little bit of money on it. I don't know. All right, so we've got our XRP to BTC long. We are long from our fill price of 827 sats. We are not in profit on that, but our BTC short, we are in profit on that. And we've got our profit targets. So yeah, let's lastly take a look at our Bitcoin on the daily. Did I forget anything today? Seems like it was a quick show. Jihan Wu. Okay, yes, I did forget something. We have a privacy concern. If you're not familiar, there is a coin called Zcoin, and they got hit with a 51% attack yesterday. Or is that today? Privacy coins, 151% attack at the moment. We recommend not to make transactions during this time until the network returns to normal. XZC is the ticker. Note, this is not a coding error, but a nature of proof of work. Okay, so proof of work is susceptible to a 51% attack. What does that mean? Well, if at any point in time someone owns 51% of the mining network, they're able to manipulate the network. So think of it as I hold a complete copy of a list of transactions, and so does everyone in front of me, behind me, to the left of me, and to the right of me, above me, and below me. If I own 51% of the network, I can influence this network where they can't double check me. So basically, I am writing my own. I'm writing my own ledger. Basically, if a 51% attack, I can double spend, and yeah. So that is some of the downfalls to proof of work, which is what Bitcoin uses, and Zcoin, which is a coin that got hit with this attack. Proof of stake, which Ethereum is going to, is not the answer to the 51% attack problem, because proof of stake is still susceptible to a 51% attack. Instead of owning the hardware to, like, you own 51% of the mining power for Bitcoin, for 51% proof of stake attack, you would just own 51% of the staked coins. So I hope that makes sense. Bitcoin here on the daily, we're going to go over this. Yeah, so Zcoin. I do like privacy coins. I think privacy coins will probably slowly be faded out, or privacy coins are not good for centralized entities. I'll say that. When you have anonymity and yeah, it's I could see, you know, potentially them delisting some privacy coins. I'll say that. Just for that reason, I'm very bullish on privacy coins in the future. I do believe that privacy coins have a huge use case and will be very good investments for the future. But anyways, let's look at some Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin, low, smacked here, and then we 37,000. We did not break up on our weekly. We got these 2 weeks right here. Double weekly candle close resistance right here. This is where if we got over, we were looking pretty bullish, but we did not. And now this weekly candle is pretty red and would take, in my opinion, a pretty large act of God to bring us, act of Satoshi, to bring us back above the 38K weekly resistance zone into bullish territory for whatever Bitcoin's exponential move, continued exponential move is. I just want to remind you that we were at, you know, $3,800 here in 2020. And then where did we hit 2021? Oh, okay. Well, anyways, just, you know, we were at $3,800 Bitcoin not too long ago. And not too long ago, we were also at $42,000 Bitcoin. So it's all a matter of perspective, and I gotta stop saying so much. It's a matter of perspective, and it's a matter of time. How much time, if you're looking at an investment and you're saying, oh, I bought Bitcoin at $32,000, I suck, and then in 2 months or in a month, you sell, and then you're mad because next year when we're at $50,000 or $100,000, you're like, oh, I should have just, and then it's going to be, the market's going to repeat. People are going to buy at $50,000 and then they're going to sell at $30,000 and then we're going to go to $100,000. No, stop it. Stop your train of thought. You're playing the long game. If you're in Bitcoin, don't even think about cashing out into cash. That should not be your concern right now. Your concern should just be stacking sats, stacking Satoshi. Satoshi is a percentage of Bitcoin. 100 million Satoshis equals 1 Bitcoin. There. All right, 4 hour, we are finding some support at the 34,130 level, which would be, I don't know, I think we had a daily close. Yeah, okay, so this was a little bit, we had some candle close. So yeah, this was our last real support, I believe. 34, because the bulls are trying to defend this $34,000 Bitcoin zone. Watch what happens when we close the daily below $34,000. Watch what happens. So anyways, that's going to be it for today's show. I hope you guys have enjoyed, learned something. If you got any friends who are into cryptocurrency, blockchain, technology, and even if they've been in it for a while, I'd love to, I have a wealth of knowledge and I'd love to educate them any way that I can, or maybe they can teach me something, I don't know. So I do this Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. Hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Inauguration. Yeah, happy Inauguration Day to everybody. Thank you for everybody who's watching. We're going to keep our Bitcoin trades open today. And last but not least, we need Bitcoin to gain back the Bitcoin bulls need to gain back 38K fast. When I say fast, I mean fast. Let's say in the next 2 days, 3 days, we need to get back up there 38K for this BTC bullish continuation. If not, we are going to see our trade, which is a short, gain some profit, baby. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. If I don't talk to you in chat, which I'm here 24/7 pretty much, come say what's up in chat. Join the Discord, say what's up as well. I gave someone a bag of jerky, or I'm giving them a bag of jerky. So if that's you, go to the YouTube video where I commented on and check your email, because I'm trying to send you a bag of my sweet and spicy jerky, man. It's pretty good. All right, guys, that's it for today. Watch for BTC to close below 34K. That's all I got for you. Altcoins are looking okay. There's not a bad time, in my opinion, to get into altcoins, even if you're buying Ethereum here at 1300, or even if BTC dips and you got in at 800 or 900. It's irrelevant. What's the difference between $800 or $900 Ethereum or $1,300 Ethereum when it's going to be $3,000 by the end of the year? I mean, I guess it's a matter of perspective, like I said. Anyways, guys, hope you stay safe. God bless. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.